coordinate geometry. So very good morning dear smarts. This is 9th class mathematics. I am going to start new chapter. It's coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Already you know the sword geometry. In geometry there are lines, circles and triangles. You have learned so many of. Now it's a coordinate geometry. It is linked up in 10th class also. Coordinate geometry. Mainly in coordinate geometry, you know, so lines. This is a line L and line segment and dot or so many of you have learned in previous classes. Now I am going to explain geometry. Okay, children, already you have seen the graph paper. In graph paper, there are centimeter lines. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Y dash. The intersecting point O, origin, 0, 0. Here it is 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 5. Here, this is the first quadrant. First quadrant, all points are positive. All points are positive. Second quadrant, x negative and y positive. Third quadrant, x and y are negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Quadrant. If any point, for example, locating a point, 2 minus 5, where it is 2 minus 5, x positive 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5, positive negative, x positive 2 here, y negative here. This is 2 minus 5, locating the point 2 minus 5. Next, of course, minus 2 minus 5, both are minus. Minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 minus 5 here, minus 2 minus 5, plus 2 plus 5, plus 2 plus 5, plus 2 plus 5, this is 2, 5, minus 5, minus 2 plus 5, plus 5 minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 5, like, or else any point 3 plus 4, 3, where is 3? Here 3, 3 plus 4, 3, y plus 4, this is 3, 4. Or else minus 4, 1, minus 4, 1, where is 1? x1, y minus 4, x1, y minus 4, x1, y minus 4, here the minus 4, 1. So copy down children on paper, draw this and copy down. quadrant in which the following points lie. Minus 2, 3. Draw a rough diagram. X, x dash, y, y dash. This is the origin O, 0, 0. Starting 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All positive numbers. Again, top of y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All positive numbers. Down, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Negative. Here left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now, this is the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So, mainly in quadrant, all are positive. Plus, plus. Quadrant 1, 2, quadrant 2, negative, positive. X negative, Y positive. Quadrant 3, both are negative. Quadrant 4, X positive, Y negative. But any point. Now, the first, write the quadrant in which the following points lie. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3, where it is? Minus 2. X minus 2. Here. X minus 2. Y minus 2, 3. X minus 2. Here, Y 3. X minus 2, Y plus 3. This is the minus 2, 3. Quadrant 2, Q2. And 5 minus 3. Say 5 minus 3, which quadrant? Plus, minus. Plus, minus 4. 5 minus 3, x5, y3. 5 minus 3. Q4. Q4. 4, 2. 4, 2. Both are plus. Q1. Q1. 4, 2. X4. Y2. 4, 2. Minus 7, minus 6. Minus 7, minus 6. Both are negative. So, Q3. Q3. Have you understood, children? So, children, write the quadrant in which the following points lie for HW. For HW, write the quadrant. Quadrant in which the following points lie. Points lie. Zero 5 x0 x0 it is 0 5. This is 0 5, like 0 0 here. 5 0 x5 y0 x5 y0 5 0, like. Okay, children. 3 7 minus 5 minus 2 3 minus 2 4 5 minus 4 2 minus 4 2 and 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 3 minus 2. These are Point out, children. So, draw like this rough diagram and point out and write the quadrant in which the point belongs to. Okay, see you, bye.